Welcome back, young explorers. Big question today. Can AI think like humans? Let's ask Byte the robot and find out. Audie asks. So, can you think like humans? Byte says, not really. I don't think like humans. Byte explains. I don't have feelings, I don't have experiences, and I don't have real understanding. But here's what I can do. I recognize patterns, I analyze information, and I give answers. Audie gets it. Oh. So you don't think like us, but you work in a different way. Byte says, exactly. AI lesson number 3. AI does not think like humans. It has no feelings or real understanding. It works by finding patterns in data and giving the best possible answers.